Calm your mind. Yoga for anxiety relief and mindful movement to reduce stress in today's fast-paced and often overwhelming world. Anxiety and stress have become common struggles for many of us. The good news is that there are natural and effective ways to manage these feelings, and one of the most powerful tools is yoga. Combining mindful movement with breath awareness, yoga helps calm the mind, release tension, restore balance to both the body and spirit. In this video, we'll explore gentle yoga poses and mindful practices specifically designed to relieve anxiety and reduce stress. Whether you're new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, these techniques will guide you toward a more peaceful and centered state of being. Now, watch the video to learn more about how to calm your mind and embrace a sense of tranquility, relief, and mindful movement for stress. Deep breathing. Begin by focusing on your breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. 8. This simple practice activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping to calm the mind and reduce stress. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the mat. This restorative pose gently stretches the back and hips, while encouraging a sense of safety and relaxation. Cat-cow stretch. Move on to your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis. This flowing movement helps release tension in the spine and promotes mindfulness. Standing forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, exhale, and fold forward, letting your head hang heavy. This pose calms the nervous system, relieves tension in the neck and shoulders, and encourages blood flow to the brain. Legs up wall pose. Lie on your back and extend your legs up against a wall. This gentle inversion helps reduce anxiety, improves circulation, and allows your body to fully relax. Corpse pose. End your practice by lying flat on your back, arms at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing your body and mind to fully relax. This pose integrates the benefits of your practice and promotes deep rest. Throughout these poses, remember to move mindfully, paying attention to your breath and how your body feels. The goal is not perfection, but presence and self-compassion. Conclusion. Yoga and mindful movement are powerful tools for managing anxiety and stress. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can create a sense of calm and balance that extends beyond the mat. Remember, even a few minutes of mindful movement can make a significant difference in how you feel. If you enjoyed this video and found these techniques helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on my next video, where we explore more health and wellness practices to support your journey toward a balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.